Alright guys, I have a head cam video. It's going to be a dark one. I am picking up an air conditioning unit from a house here in Keller, Texas. It's late. I was actually coming home when they called, and then I ended up getting another one. Actually, this one and another one. So I'm going to do them because that's on the way home and not far from my house that I live in. So here we go. Head cam video release. I'm here to pick up an air conditioning unit. Okay, yeah. I took my wallet with me. All right, this should be easy. It's only $45, but it should be an easy job. We're gonna try it, ma'am. So this is the pallet.
This is just a box, you know, the unit's smaller, but you do what you have to do. And he said it's really good news. He had to do this, but he said that unit just needs a heat and it runs perfect. I said, well, I couldn't fix it, so I just got a new one. So,
this thing's heavy.
Yeah, I know.
This is my food, actually. I brought it from... I just moved from my house to another house, and I had to bring my food with me.
Help a little bit.
No.
Okay.
It's heavy, but it's not that heavy, man. Okay. I'm just gonna swing it up there anyway. There it is.
Okay.
You want me to take those boxes?
I appreciate it, because I don't have to break them down, right?
Right. Hand them to me. Yeah. Here we go. Got it. I have a bad knee.
Yeah.
No, I just got it recently.
Really?
Yeah, I just hurt my knee like a few weeks ago. So I've been trying to, I'm gonna bring a ladder. Cause I gotta find a better way to get off the truck, you know? If I bring a little step ladder, you know? So I think I'm gonna do that. Cause I have step ladders. I have a lot of them from other previous jobs, you know? Oh, the pallet, I forgot. And yeah. So that's it. All right, man. That's it.
2040. 10.
Oh, look at you, you big tipper.
Hey.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good one, okay?
Okay.
Believe it or not, I'm going to another job right now down the street. So I picked up another one.
All right, good deal.
See you later.
I recommend you, that's for sure.
Okay, yeah, keep my number, okay? I don't have any business cards, but keep my number.
Yeah, I'm in the HOA, so I can pass your...
I'd appreciate that. Thank you, hon.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, that's it. Head cam video in the dark. I got one more to go to. Bye.